Tell the truth, are you planning to start 2026 marketing in January? Yeah, we've all been there. You come back from leave still smelling like sunscreen and boom, content deadlines, budget questions, LinkedIn already buzzing, and you're still trying to remember your laptop password. Meanwhile, the brands that planned ahead, they're posting, pitching, and popping up everywhere while the rest are just trying to find the printer cable. 2026 isn't waiting for anyone. It's AI-powered, answer-driven, video-obsessed, and very find me near me right now. Half of Google searches don't even end in clicks anymore because people get the answer before they can blink. If your brand isn't giving answers, someone else is. So here's the game plan. Review what worked this year, build for real questions people ask, polish your Google business profile, test short-form video, even if it's just you and your phone and bad office lighting. Plan now, walk into 2026 calm, caffeinated, and already ahead. If you want a head start, let's plan together. We'll help you walk into next year like you actually slept during the holiday.